What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Tuning in for another video. And man, y'all see the title of the video, man. Y'all see the title of the video. I told y'all I've been getting the itch. And obviously y'all gonna know at least one of the 3 cars it is. But man, I'm finally picking up one of my dream cars, man. The excitement that hit me now, cause today I've been talking with the seller for about the last 3 days, but I just wasn't able to get up there. So now we up early in the morning, me and wifey. I'm finna go by the bank, and we finna go grab the car, man. I'm gonna drive it all the way back, and man, I'm just excited. Then when I get back, I'm gonna show y'all what it is. I'm gonna do the reveal. Y'all know how we do. Gotta do the reveal in the driveway, and yeah. My excitement is hitting me now, cause today I'm finna go. So it's hitting me now, man. It really feels good, man. Cause hey, it's one of my 3 dream cars, man. It's one of the 3. So y'all gonna know it's one of them. I'm gonna do the reveal, but y'all see the thumbnail. It's one of the 3, man. And I can't wait. Hey, I can't wait, man. I can't wait. So we finna go handle this business. I'm gonna get the car back, and I'm gonna show it to y'all, man. So let's do it. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. We done handled the business. Man, I'm feeling, boy. The more I rode out the week car, I drove it all the way back, and so it's a running car, obviously. But the more I rode, man, it started setting in, like really setting in, man. I'm gonna tell y'all, this right here, like I told y'all, it's one of my 3 dream cars. Which if you watch, you already know what's my 3 dream car. And just the fact of being able to do this. And y'all know last month I just bought one of my wife's dream cars, which that was one of my goals. And this wasn't one of my goals to buy one of my dream cars this year. It was just my wife, my focus on my wife. I wanted to get her at least one of her dream cars, one of her 2 she wanted. And I did that. I did that last month, but just grinding, man, grinding hard, turning up. I was like, man, forget it. She was like, hey, it's time to get one of the ones you want. Tank. Get the skateboard, go over there. And she was like, it's time to get it, take it over there. She about to fail. And it's time to get one you get something you want, and man, it's just taking it in, man. And I'm finna go and show it to y'all, man. What I picked up. It's one of the 3 now. It's one of the 3, but it's a damn good feeling. I tell y'all that. So look, y'all know how I'm gonna do. Man. So look, on 3, we're gonna count down, man, from 5. I mean, instead of 3, 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam! There it is, man. I'm official Donk rider, man. In the Donk game. 7 tray. Y'all know, man, I've been wanting one of these things. A 7 tray Donk, man. It's in good shape. 7 tray Donk, man. 73. 73 Donk. I finally got me one. I finally got one, man. I'm talking about, this it. Y'all know it's here to stay. Been fixed up back in the day. Y'all see the tab man in there on, but the car is in The car is in amazing shape. 7 tray, man. That's what I needed back there, man. I needed that back in my life. Like I said, y'all see it got Tasmanian Devil on it. Paint still look nice on it for it to be put together. Car was just chilling, man. And one of my partners, man, he had it, and I got to shout him out. Shout out to Boo Nail, man. And he had the car. He came to my birthday cookout too, man. I appreciate it, man. He had this car, right? So I'm gonna tell y'all the backstory on it, man. He had this car. I think he got it last year. I remember when he got it, I was like, damn, my boy got it in the Donk game stuff. Cause he got a clean Monte Carlo, man. He got a bunch of stuff too. He got some nice car. And man, he put up a live stream where he was just spraying the car off and stuff. It was 4 or 5 days ago from the time y'all seeing this. And I said, man, he still got that car. I didn't know he still had it, honestly. I really didn't know he still had it. I said, man, he still got the car. And I inboxed him. I was like, man, will you sell it? It's a net car. I know we got a solid car, man. He do good business and stuff. So he was like, yeah. He told me the price. I ain't argue with it. I said, hey, I'll be to see you on the weekend, about 4 or 5 days later. And here I am, man. Like I said, man of my word, like I told him, I'm coming to get it. And I would have came and got it then, it just right then, but I was busy in the week and I couldn't break loose and stuff, man. And I want to appreciate him, man. I know he'll see it, man. I told him thank you and everything, but I don't think he really realized, like, bro, you made my, man, he made my year. I told him he made my day. He made my year, man, because this one of my dream cars. I know, like I said, I told y'all, want to sell tray. I really a vert, but I didn't care whether it's a vert or a hard top. The only reason I don't buy a vert, I can't make myself spend that type of money for the condition they be in, because they want Grand National price. And obviously, I'm not gonna spend that type of money on a Donk, and I want a Grand National more of a collector's item. And that's one of my cars I always wanted. So this right here, I just wanted this. It had to be a 73. I wasn't pushing the issue on whether it was a vert or a hard top, but it had to be a 73. I wasn't gonna buy no other year. No 71, no 72, no 74. It had to be 73, man. So I got my year I wanted. I love the fronts of them. I love the back. I love everything about the 73. And man, he put me in the game. Drove it all the way here. It run good. Only thing I gotta do right now, general maintenance. Said I need the back brakes. He told me that over here, but I'm gonna go and get the back brakes, front brakes, like basically the same stuff we finna do the wifey car. Just when we buy a car, I just go always do that. Y'all know how I get down. I'm gonna change all the brakes and stuff so I know what I got. I'm gonna change brake rotors, wheel bearings, everything back there, wheel cylinders and all that. I'm finna order all of that stuff ASAP. And it needs some universal joints, I believe, cause it's a little vibration. It's a little vibration when you get up to speed and that low speed, so it probably needs some universal joints, so we're gonna tackle them too. But other than that, man, it's a great car. Still got plastic. Still got the plastic on the seats. Interior been done. And that stuff y'all see, that this right here, that's the stuff on the plastic. It's not actually on the seat. See? It's not actually on the seat. You know, back in the day, man, you want to keep that white leather clean, so that's where the plastic just done faded and got dirty, see? Like all that right there. But still got plastic on them, man. Indicators work, speedometer, everything, man. It's a good car. It's a good car, man. Run good. Oh, let me crank it up. Let me crank it up for y'all. Y'all know later down the line, there's gonna be one I'm gonna go in, man. I'm gonna go in like Big Meat, but not that fast, but I'm gonna go in on it, meaning, you know, it's gonna get the good stuff. I'm gonna really turn up on it, and it's gonna be clean. It's gonna be a head turner. Look at that. Crank up, drop of the dime, man. Drop of the key. Drop of the key, run like a sewing machine. It runs so good. And then when I get that vibration out of there, put the universal joints on, man, it's gonna They gonna show no ride smooth. Still got the skirts and everything, man. Whew. Boy, we in the Donk game. We in the Donk game, man. Sell trade. But y'all don't know how I'm feeling. I promise y'all don't know how I'm feeling, man. Woo. Boy, we in the Donk game, boy. Man, I've been wanting one of these. I've been wanting one of these, man. Look, the trunk, it ain't no rust in the floors. All the typical places you'll see rust in these Donks, ain't no rust. You gotta know where to look, man. Ain't no rust. So, got dynamite in there, we had system in there. Ain't hurt. Look down. I can't show y'all down there. It get dark, but it ain't no rust, man. And he ain't hurt of nothing. Yeah, man. Oh, wild Tasmanian devil, man. We're gonna ride like that for a while. Cause y'all know I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna ride it and stuff. You got the Tasmanian devil on it, but y'all know I already got a vision for this car. Like Meech, I got a vision for this car. I know what color I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna touch everything. Whole front suspension, steering gonna be done, tubular A-arms, all that stuff. I might pull it out the frame, cause I'm gonna eventually pull Meech out the frame. But I probably pull this out the frame. And, of course, you know we're getting a big block. A big block. I know people, Jay, put an LSL, put this. I'm putting a big block. Big car need a big block. I always said if I get a Donk, I know exactly what engine I'm finna set in here. And I'm gonna carry on with my vision, man. I know what size, what cubic inch I want in it. And all of that. Big block. Gonna be able to drive it anywhere. AC, heat, the whole nine gonna be on it. And I don't know, at the big block, it may be in this year. Actually may be in this year. It probably still look the same. But the big block just might be in it this year. Now, I'm going to tackle the rear end and stuff and all of that. But the big block just might be in this year, man. All that. But I'm in the Donk game, man. I'm in the Donk game, y'all. We in there selling tray. Y'all know I'm come up with a name for it. And this one here to stay. So don't ask me, is it for sale? Just like Meech ain't for sale, this one ain't for sale. I told y'all, my dream cars. 7 tray Donk, a Grand National, T-top Regal. We got the Donk now. All I need is the Grand National and the T-top Regal. And y'all know they here to stay, man. So Donk ain't for sale. Donk is not for sale, man. Don't ask. Do not ask. Ain't no price on it, just like ain't no price on Meech. But we in the Donk game, man. Selling tray. Shout out to my boy Boo Nail for selling it to me. All of that good stuff, man. I ain't, like I said, man, and like I said, he just made my day. I hope he made some money and stuff. You know, I don't never ask. When I buy a car, I don't try to knock nobody down. I just buy it. Especially if it's worth it. I just buy it, man. So I hope my boy hit some profit and stuff. All that, cause I want everybody to make money and all that, do that. So I'm happy. I'm happy, man. Like, hey, I knew he was selling me a good car. I knew it was solid. I wasn't finna argue with nothing, man. I'm just coming to get it. I told wife, I said, I ain't even gotta go check it out. Cause he told me, he said, you can come check it out. I told wife, I said, man, I ain't gotta check nothing out. I trust the word. I'm going to the bank, get the bread, and I'm coming to buy it. That's all to it. I'm coming to buy it. That's what I did, man. So, we in there, man. In the Donk game. I gotta come up with a name for it, but y'all best believe I'm finna be driving the hell out of this car. It got a regular engine, it got a 350 in it right now. It's a regular little running engine, it run good. But I'm gonna get them universal joints done this week, so I ain't got that vibration in the drivetrain. So they're gonna be my first order business, the universal joint. I got to get that done this week. But yeah, man, it's a pretty car. You can tell it's solid now. It's a solid car, so yeah, man, we in there. So new car reveal, man. I told y'all I had been getting the itch. I had my mind made up at the beginning of the week. I knew I was gonna buy it, just didn't want to get away and all of that. So yeah, we in the Donk game. So y'all know we finna get started on this one. We tinkering with wife's car. Wife can get painted. We on the cosmetic side of things now, so that's what it is, man. So yeah, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.